If you're in a bad mood, you go see Lou. I think when I first started there, that's what scared me away from him. I was like, he's always smiling, something's wrong with him. But then come to find out, that's just who he is. And I know, our tool room is doing more today than we were doing 3 years ago. And that's because of Lou's drive to learn.
I'm Luis Gonzalez, and I'm a machinist tech at the Vergne facility.
My name is Ray Rogers. I'm the plant manager of the Nifco Vergne, Tennessee facility.
Curtis Martinez. I'm the tooling and maintenance manager in Vergne. There was a senior machinist. He probably had 30 years experience. An old school guy, real grumpy, right? Didn't want to share his knowledge. Lou was the type of guy that's going to ask questions to learn.
I started looking at him, while I was cleaning the hopper or something, and he was changing the tool, taking it out, and I'm curious.
For Luis in the tool room, trying to grow with, up under this senior guy. He took it upon himself, if he wasn't going to be able to learn it from this guy, he enrolled into machinist school.
I didn't take it personal. I just tried to learn on my side.
We'll go back to Luis, hey, what can you do for this? And next thing you know, he's got some kind of device for you. And it's not always just, a gauge. He overhears you talking about something, and next thing you know, he's knocking on your door, and he's got this wonderful creation that, hey, try this. And you go out there, and 90% of the time it works. We wait for the 10% so we can go back and give him a hard time, but that rarely comes.
I saw this my coworker. He started with the 3D printing thing. He bought it as a hobby. He showed me, and then he said, "Oh, maybe I can do that." I see it that I can do that for Nifco, to do more nests, to do more 3D print. Then I buy one myself, but thinking on the nest that I can be better at work.
So as a team, we decided that we would budget for a 3D printer. Him and the process engineer that we have down there have done a lot of great Kaizens for our facility, utilizing the 3D printer.
It did make a world difference. It saved us thousands of dollars in quality. Every other month we were having a problem with the gate cuts. Through their idea of making these nests, saved us money and saved us time and saved our reputation in the end.
And my life changed, really, when I met Nifco in the injection molding. I'm a machinist.
Vergne, management has seen the drive in Luis. I think the whole team has supported him. His willingness to learn, it inspires other people. Yeah, it's nice to be able to work with someone like that. If we had 2 or 3 more people like that, I might smile all the time, who knows.